Hello everyone, welcome to Dali Apparel Factory. I'm the host, William.
Hello everyone, I'm the host Caris. Dongguan Dali Factory is an integrated one-stop clothing company.
Let's see more details about our factory, okay?
In the cutting area, workers use precision cutting machines to ensure accurate measurements for each fabric piece. Data shows that we cut over 500 meters of fabric annually.
The sweater workshop producing exquisite products.
This is our technical. Our workers take seriously to make sure that every product gets high standard.
And this is our sewing area. And in this area, we have 300 skilled people in this who sew more than 4,000 garments on average each day.
Let's look at the ironing section. In the ironing section, we use specialized equipment to iron over 2,000 garments daily. During this period, we have obtained some certifications such as the ZX, the SGS, ISO 9001, and BICI, and other certifications.
Yes, and in here we will give you many new products design about your products. So if you have any ideas, you can give us your ideas and thinking. So we will give you many beautiful products.
And we will try our best to be a leader in our industry.